Hey you guys, welcome to day 2 of my 5 days of my faves and fails video for this week. Today's video though is the one that's kind of in between. It is the most okay-ish makeup that I've used this year. The ones that like, come on, I feel like they could be better. They could just push a little bit more, just tweak a couple things, and then they could be groundbreaking. A lot of them are products that I use all the time, but it's just, something's missing. They're just okay, and I feel like I wanted to talk about them. Yes, I feel that passionately about these that I need to make a dedicated video to the most okay-ish makeup. Before we begin though, my name is ashleyellix if you just happen to be stumbling upon this video. If you want to subscribe, go ahead and hit that little subscribe button down below. You know where it is. That way you don't miss out on future videos, and that way you see the rest of the 3 days that I'm going to be doing this week, along with all the other videos that I do, which are like brand deep dives behind the scenes for the beauty industry and reviews and things like that. So that's me. Tell me about yourself. What's your favorite makeup product? What is the most okay-ish makeup product you use this year? Let me know down in the comments below. Okay, let's begin. Let's go. Let's do this. Boop. Let's talk about the one that like really sparked this video, okay? And I feel like I've mentioned it in some lists and stuff before. I don't remember exactly where I placed it, but who let me buy it again? First of all, why weren't you guys there to stop me when I was hitting checkout at Sephora? Because I bought it again against my own better judgment. It's the smell. It's the smell, okay? This Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush setting spray. Listen, this setting spray is amazing. I've said it before and I'll say it again. I hate the freaking smell of this, but I was honestly hopeful because there was like a slight package change. They added these like wings and stuff to the bottle. So I was hoping maybe there was a little tweak, because I'm not the only one that thinks it smells weird. I was looking at reviews on Sephora and everybody thinks, not everybody, but there's a lot of people that also think it smells weird. Nobody mentioned the specifics of what I think it smells like, which is dollar menu Burger King hamburgers. Oh yeah. It's a very weirdly specific smell, I know, but it drives me crazy. I was hoping, because I first started using this when I was pregnant, I was hoping it was just a pregnancy, thing, but no. Here we are 9 months later almost, and it still smells like that to me, but I bought it again, and this time I bought a full size. What is wrong with me? The thing is, I've been trying to replace it, trying to find dupes. I have so many setting sprays that I'm like, there has to be something else. There are things that like come pretty close. There's like combinations. I was using the Tarte Stay Spray and then putting like the Catrice Dewy on top of it, but it wasn't doing exactly what this did. And now that I have it again, I've been using it for the last couple weeks, and I love how it makes my makeup last. It doesn't take away any kind of glow to my skin, but it doesn't really add much to it. It's just perfect, other than the smell. So it's just okay. Like, the smell drives me crazy. Oh my gosh. So every time I use it, it's very bittersweet. It's a very bittersweet moment, because I'm like, yes, do your magic, but also, bleh. The smell does dissipate, so that is good. If they changed that one thing, if they added a better smell to it, then it would be literally my favorite setting spray of all time. Okay, another like okay-ish product is the Too Faced Lip Injection Lip Gloss. I hyped this lip gloss in my head up so much because I love the Too Faced Lip Injection formulas. I love the original lip injection, the extreme, and I love all the different shades that they have. I didn't actually love the extreme or something, the double extreme, the super extreme. Thought that one was just like not even as good as the regular extreme. It was just a little gimmick. That's besides the point. This lip injection lip gloss is supposed to be like the original lip gloss formula, but it has a whole array of colors. The reason why I think this is just okay is that, number one, there's barely any color payoff, and it looks like it's going to be super dark, but it's not at all. It's just like barely there, just a little touch. Actually shows up more on my hand than on my lips. It has sparkles in it, but they kind of dissipate when you're on your lips. It doesn't really last. The main thing that kind of bugs me, it's a little sticky, and the plumping aspect doesn't really feel as strong as the regular lip injection. So if you're looking for a less strong one, maybe you'll like it, but to me, it does not beat my Buxom lip glosses. I love the Buxom lip polishes and the lip creams, and this one was just like okay in comparison. I almost bought a bunch because they were on sale for like 50% off. I'm so glad I only bought one, because it was just like, I'm going back to my Buxom. I got another Charlotte Tilbury one. This one, I want it to be better because it's not that bad. It's okay. I mean, obviously we talked about the most okayest stuff. Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Push-Up Lashes. Listen, I like the way my lashes look with it. It has a really good hold, but it's almost too much. So this might be something you're looking for if you like the description that I'm about to say. If you get it even a tiny bit on your skin, which I almost do every single time I put my mascara on, I'm like doing it really quick and I get like a little dot here or up here, you can't get it off. You can't get it off without like removing the makeup completely underneath like where you spotted it on. Usually I could let the mascara dry down and then just flake it off with a Q-tip. No, that's not gonna happen. I've tried taking off the smudge right when I do it. No, ain't gonna happen. So it's too much for me. It might be more like water. It's not water. It doesn't claim to be waterproof, but it like stays. So I didn't notice any smudging with it. You might want to try it if you're not as clumsy with mascara as I am. But the wand, it makes it so that I do that. The wand is this weird one that's really pokey on one side and then it has this flat side. So what you do is I do the pokies and then I smooth on the mascara product onto my lashes. It kind of like coats it and then I separate it again. So I like how my lashes look. It just is that it gets all over the place and then I can't get it off. So it's too much. Maybe if they redid the brush, I think the formula inside is really good, but it's like the mascara one, it's not working for me personally. It's okay. This product I use every time I do my makeup now. Every single time. A lot of these products probably are confusing because it's like, well, you're using it. This one, it's because I can't find anything better. Flat out. And I know there'll be a time that there is something better. It's the Patrick Ta Lamination Brow Gel. This year I started doing that feathery type of look. I totally changed up my brow routine and I went through a lot of different brow products to try to get that smoothed out look. I cannot use the brow waxes, brow soaps because my brows got a mind of their own and they fall down within like an hour, and brow waxes and soaps stay like warm on my skin and then they fall down. So the first thing I tried was the Colourpop Brow Wax, and that looked good for about maybe 2 or 3 hours, and then it just smudges away to nothing. That doesn't work, but I loved the look of it. So I went on a hunt for different brow gels. I was trying the NYX one, and at first that one used to do good when I did my brows the other way, but then I got a new bottle because I was thinking my other one maybe was like too old. Got a new bottle of it to try doing the lamination and it's not strong enough. So the Patrick Ta is strong enough and I do like it. Kind of. It's a little finicky. It gets little webby flakies and stuff sometimes. Sometimes. Not all the time, but a lot of times. And I don't like that. I have to be really, really careful. I have to apply this before any of my other makeup is on. So fresh right away. If I do it with my foundation, it gets gross. It's really webby and bad. So it's bittersweet because I don't have anything else that I've tried that I liked as much as this one does, but this one needs some improvement. Like I don't like the crusties that sometimes look like are on my eyebrows or the flaking. It's once it gets bad, then you start peeling it and it just snowballs and it just is not good. But it's the best I've gotten so far. So these products got me feeling all kinds of mixed feelings, all right? So let me know if you do the whole brow lamination thing, not like, not permanently or whatever, not semi-permanent, but like if you do it with makeup products, is there a lamination gel that you like, that you swear by? Please let me know because I am open to finding something better. So far, this is the one though. This is the one, so. Oh, okay, this next one might get me in some hot water with you guys. Maybe, I don't know. I gotta be honest though. I got to say my honest truth right now, okay? It's the Auric Smoke Reflect, okay? So I only have one, let me keep that in mind. It's the shade Temper. The thing is it's $39 for this single and it's expensive, okay? So for me, it's not worth the price point for me. And the thing about it is, there's a couple things about it, okay? Do I like the way my eyes look when I use it? Yeah, sure, I do. I think it's really pretty. I can see why people would like this, but it's hard for me to justify basically $40 for this because what I want to use it for. So the reason why I purchased this is because I was about to have a baby and I wanted a product that I could slap on really quickly, and it's good. It's good for that. You could slap it on really quickly. If you don't know what this is Samantha Ravindal's line, and I already featured her Auric Glow Lust in a favorites, okay? So don't come at me. This isn't about Samantha. This is about the product itself. And everybody likes their own things. This is my opinion. This is okay to me. So it has the like jelly kind of thing, you know, on the bottom, cream. I guess you could call it cream. To me, it doesn't really pack enough pigment. I mean, I know it's supposed to be soft. It's like, it's a little something, you know, it's fine. I do have to layer it a little bit. It's still easy to use. It still looks pretty, like I said, and it hasn't dried out, and it's been, what, almost a year since these launched. But on the top here, you have the like little shimmer topper. The idea is so good, but the second time I used it was all hard pan, and it is so difficult to get out. I have to like scrape the top and then go back in. I've tried a million formulas before, eyeshadow formulas. I don't think you have to have a formula that gets hard pan. I mean, essentially that's a $20 shadow and a $20 cream. So I don't think a $20 shadow should get hard pan on it. So I don't know if I got a bad batch. I haven't really seen many people complain about the hard pan. I use a different finger than the cream, you know, because I don't intermix. I don't know what it is. I wish that it wasn't like that, and $40 for me, it doesn't justify it. So I do like how it looks, but it's just okay. It's just okay. You know what I do now, or what I started doing after like I was using that, because I was using that when my baby was first born and I wanted to throw something on really quick. What I ended up doing is I grabbed some eyeshadow palettes that I have. Like I have the Tarte Holiday from probably too long. I probably shouldn't be using anymore, but I think it was 2019. That was the year they did really good ones, right? That one, that's like the black holiday one, that has a bunch of cream shadows in it that dry to a powder. I just throw those on really quickly, and they're so nice. So I think you could get the same effect and not the $40, you know? So yeah, or the hard pan. I don't know. So yeah, okay. I have one honorable mention. Basically, I have 6 because I was looking at these. I've been using them lately just because they're so pretty and I'm trying to get use out of them. And I think that they're okay. I think there could have been one though. I have the Huda Beauty, I think these are called what? The Lip Diamond Sparkly Lip Balms. I have these 2 shades that I got in mystery boxes, Seductress and Negligee. Listen, you don't need any more than one. They all look literally the same. They're so pretty though. The cases are so pretty. It has like this cute diamond powder that's on the outside. It's just a coating. It's not intermixed. So it's just a lip balm. It's just a lip balm. $20-something is the original retail. That's crazy, okay? That is crazy. And they're okay. They're a lip balm. They're nothing different than what you're gonna go pick up at the drugstore, you know, honestly. Other than the feeling that you get when you use them, because you gotta admit, it's just really like you're paying for the packaging because it is so stinking pretty, honestly. It's so beautiful. So that's what kind of makes it like, it's okay. It's not bad. My lips aren't drier. It hydrates. I wear it at night and it makes me feel like all, ooh, but she could have just come out with one. I wish she added more tint to them, then it would have made more sense to have this many, but yeah, I don't know. Let me know if you tried those lip balms. Those are all the okay-ish products that I use this year, at least 5 of them. Well, 6, you know, because I cheated. And let me know down in the comments below, like I said, if you have any products that you're just like, I want more from you product. I wish it was just, there's missing a little something for you to be on my favorites list. Okay, so that is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe before you go. Follow me over on TikTok and Instagram if you want some more funny kind of makeup comedy content situation. And I will see you guys tomorrow for day 3. Okay, bye.